12 amazing benefits of drinking garlic water daily and how to make it. Welcome to Healthy Habits Haven. Today, we're diving into the incredible health benefits of drinking garlic water daily and how you can easily prepare it at home. The ancient wisdom of garlic. As the famous Greek physician Hippocrates once said, "Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food." Even centuries ago, garlic was highly valued for its medicinal properties. Modern research has now confirmed many of these benefits, proving that garlic is truly a natural powerhouse for health. Let's explore 12 compelling reasons why you should include garlic water in your daily routine. 1. Fights acne and promotes clear skin. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful compound that fights bacteria responsible for acne. It also enhances blood circulation, delivering essential nutrients to your skin. While many spend a fortune on skincare treatments, nature provides an easy and effective remedy: garlic. 2. Boosts sexual performance. Garlic is a natural aphrodisiac, improving blood flow to reproductive organs and enhancing sexual stamina for both men and women. It also contains vital nutrients that help increase libido and sperm count when consumed regularly. 3. Strengthens hair and reduces hair fall. Packed with vitamins B6, C, manganese, and selenium, garlic nourishes hair follicles and promotes strong, healthy hair growth. Adding garlic water to your diet can reduce hair thinning and give you shinier, healthier locks. 4. Protects eye health. Garlic plays a significant role in producing glutathione, an essential antioxidant that protects the eyes from damage and age-related vision problems. Instead of relying on expensive treatments, harness garlic's natural ability to support eye health. 5. Supports heart health and controls blood pressure. Research shows that garlic inhibits enzymes involved in lipid synthesis, reducing LDL or bad cholesterol by up to 20%. It also prevents blood clotting and combats oxidative stress, protecting your heart from disease and hypertension. 6. Lowers cancer risk. Studies suggest that garlic compounds help repair DNA and enhance cellular defense systems, reducing the risk of cancers like colorectal and skin cancer. Incorporating garlic into your daily diet is a simple yet effective way to boost your body's natural defense against cancer. 7. Strengthens the immune system. Garlic's allicin content acts as a natural antibacterial and antiviral agent, protecting the body from infections. Drinking garlic water regularly can help fend off illnesses and keep your immune system strong year-round. 8. Aids weight loss. Garlic speeds up metabolism and suppresses appetite, making it easier to burn calories efficiently. It also creates a lasting feeling of fullness, helping to prevent overeating and unwanted weight gain. 9. Combats colds, coughs, and flu. Research shows that garlic reduces the severity and duration of colds and flu. Drinking warm garlic water with honey before bed can provide relief from coughing and congestion, especially during seasonal changes. 10. Relieves asthma symptoms. Since asthma is an inflammatory condition, garlic's diallyl disulfide compound helps reduce inflammation and improve breathing. Adding garlic water to your routine may help manage asthma symptoms naturally. 11. Protects brain health. Garlic's antioxidants help fight oxidative damage, which plays a role in diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. Regular consumption supports brain function, reduces cognitive decline, and improves overall mental sharpness. 12. Enhances athletic performance. Historically used to boost endurance, garlic was even given to Olympic athletes in ancient Greece. Studies show that garlic improves exercise performance, reduces fatigue, and enhances stamina, making it a natural performance booster. How to make garlic water. Here are 3 easy methods to prepare garlic water at home. Method 1. Quick and simple. Crush 3 cloves of garlic and place them in a glass of hot boiled water. Cover and let it cool to room temperature. Drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. Add a tablespoon of lemon juice and honey for better taste and enhanced benefits. Method 2. Boiled garlic water. Chop 3 cloves of garlic and boil them in a cup of water for 5 minutes. Let it cool to room temperature. Add honey for taste and consume it in the morning on an empty stomach. Method 3. Overnight infusion. Blend 3 to 5 garlic cloves with water and let it sit overnight. In the morning, boil the infused water for 3 minutes. Drink it warm on an empty stomach for best results. Important precautions. While garlic water offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to be mindful of certain conditions. Garlic may increase the risk of bleeding, so avoid it if you're on blood thinners like warfarin or before surgery. It can interact with some medications used to treat HIV, so consult your doctor if needed. If you don't have any medical restrictions, adding garlic water to your routine can be a game changer for your health. Final thoughts. Garlic water is a simple yet powerful remedy for numerous health issues. Start incorporating it into your daily routine and experience the benefits firsthand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more amazing health tips. Stay healthy and take care.